What is opening balance and closing balance? So when this will be used, right? This is one of the important opening balance or the opening and closing balance are the important thing, right? When a company finishes on accounting year and ends up with a closing balance, right? The last balance in the accounts, that is nothing but your closing balance. So you carry forward the balance, the closing balance to the new financial accounts, and then it becomes the opening balance. So in this case, these are the functions, right? Sorry, this is not the functions. Okay, let me do one thing. I think, yeah, this is the one. Difference between, look here, difference between opening balance and closing balance, and month and opening balance, closing balance, quarter also you can find out. So we know very well the month ends on either 28th or 29th in the case of leap year, and 30th and 31st, whereas a quarter ends in March, June, September, December. So here are the quarters in a year. We group it like this, okay? And so these are the functions really helpful. Opening balance month, closing balance month. These functions, I will just open the report file. This is our report file. In this case, if you see here, I have the 1 second. I have the date column. All these things are coming from same table. So here, if you see the data set, first let us take a look at the personal account. I have a data set called personal account. And if you see here, I have only two columns are there, date and account balance. Okay. And if I go here and opening balance month, look here, I have something called opening. I don't have to do this. 1 second. And if you click on it and opening balance, how I got it. So here, if you see a 31st January and the next month, 28th February. So the previous month, opening balance was 250 and the account balance was 250. Since let's assume that 2019 January only you started your accounts, okay, with the bank, this bank, your account balance was 250. At the end of the month, your closing balance was 250 only. Okay, and the previous month closing balance is this one, 250. And then in the second month, the current month, the previous month closing balance became an opening balance. And in this month, right, you put some, you created some money in your account, 345 is there. Okay, and 345. And for the current month, the closing month balance is the 345 here. The previous month closing balance, your current month opening balance. And current month, you have account balance, this one become your closing balance. So again, the next month, March month, the previous month closing balance becomes your opening balance. And this is what your current month account balance. This one becomes your closing balance for this month. Okay, and this is going to be your, so, and if you see this side, look here, and here, this one, the previous month closing balance becomes your current month opening balance. That is what we can say. So in this case, we don't have to write any complex logic here. Simply, you take the first, the opening balance month function, use this opening balance month. The first argument is your account balance in this case. And second one is the account date column. That's all. Similarly, the closing balance month. Closing balance, if you see closing balance quarter, this is quarter, and sorry, closing balance month. If you see here, and you're the same thing, okay? The closing balance month is this one, okay? The closing balance, opening balance automatically calculated with the help of opening balance month and closing balance month function. And if you see the closing balance quarter, also it computed, but if you see here Jan, Feb, March, this is the quarter, right? So at the end of this quarter, what is the closing balance? 415, and this is what your closing balance quarter 415. But if you see the above, right, 415, 415, because quarter one. This is computed the quarter one closing balance, right? This is what your quarter one closing balance. And yeah, opening balance for your next quarter is this one, 415. The previous quarter closing balance will become your current quarter's opening balance. And here you have something like, wait, here 550 is there, right? Okay, in this month, the account balance is 550. Yeah, 550 comes here. Okay, it has to, you need to look at here. In this thing, the last one is your this quarter's closing balance. Look here. In this case, April month account balance is 550, but the previous month closing balances, now it became an opening balance, and this one became your opening balance. This one became your opening balance. So you are in second quarter. The second quarter, how much account balance you have it? What was the opening balance? The seventh, this is second quarter, right? Yeah, 710. The 710 repeats across the second quarter. Okay, that is how it works. It's very simple one. Here, opening balance quarter and closing balance quarter, opening balance month and closing balance month. And these are the functions are available. With this function, you can implement this in a pretty simple way. Okay.